Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're fine? That's good. I welcome you in my class, that is English for Grade 1. We are learning Unit 3. Its title is My Family. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear children, today is lecture 7 under the title of Listening and Speaking. We are going to learn to take turns and we'll cover page number 29 of your book. So today's SLO is to demonstrate use of common conventions and dynamics of group oral interaction to take turns. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 83, and speak to people good words. Yes, my dear children, there is a very clear instruction in Quran. Allah is telling us, talk to people in good words. Always speak nicely. Always use good words to people. Whenever you are talking, talk nicely. So, there are a few questions. First, you tell me, if you are at your school canteen and want to buy something, when will you speak and how will you speak? Pause the video and answer these two questions to your teacher. Yes, my dear children, have you answered correctly? When will you speak? You will speak when it's your turn. First you will go, you will join the queue in front of canteen, and when it will be your turn, then you will speak. All right? And how will you speak? How will you speak? First, you should say Assalamu alaikum to uncle who is at canteen or auntie who is at canteen, and then you will say, this is the stuff I need. Okay? Beta, these are the manners which we learn and we should practice every time. So, first thing which we learn from here, we should wait for our turn to speak, and secondly, when it's time to speak, we should speak nicely. So, here is an activity in your book. And what this activity is all about, teacher, you will ask from every student. This is a dialogue between teacher and a student. So it will be one-on-one conversation. Teacher will ask all of you, what do you like to eat in breakfast, in break time? And students will answer, I like to eat whatever you like to eat. You will tell it, okay? For example, if it's me, I will see, I would like to take, for example, I bring a glass of milk along with, I add a spoon of honey in it, or maybe I bring paratha with butter, or I bring cheese omelette. Whatever you like to eat, you will tell in a nice manner, okay? And all of you, there are few instructions which you will follow. First of all, everyone will participate, okay? Teacher will ask this question from everyone. You will wait for your turn and you will speak nicely, listen to others, and do not cut the conversation when one is speaking. You will stay quiet, and if you want to say something, you will raise your hand. All right, so you will follow all these instructions. Now teacher is here. Teacher, you will call students one by one and take the answer of the question from them. Pause the video, enjoy the activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? So everyone mentioned their choices. Good job. Here is time for your homework. What you will do? You will draw and color your favorite fruit and will speak few sentences about it. And what those sentences may be? What is the name of the fruit? What is the shape and color? What is the taste and smell? And in which season we eat it? Okay, so you will complete this homework. Tomorrow in your class, you will show it and you will speak about it. So, what we have learned today, we learned the basic rules to participate in conversation, and what those rules are: to raise hand, to speak nicely, and to wait for turn. So in this way, we achieved our SLO to demonstrate use of common conventions and dynamics of group oral interactions to take turns. Are we done with it? Yes, Alhamdulillah. And beta, the things which we learn, we should practice whenever you are outside. At your home time, you should be in a line. At any bank or park, if you are waiting for rides, you should to wait for your turn over there as well. Okay, so my children, you are very smart. I hope you will remember all these things and you will practice it. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.